To get started, tap the calendar app. Download the reminder app so you can install it. And wait for it to finish installing. You can open, allow, reminder. Then you can now click continue. You can click see tips to see how you can set up your reminders and stay organized. You can create categories as well. So you can get started now. Create your categories. Then in each category, you can set up your reminders. This app is really good to help you stay organized. So you can create as many categories as you want. And you can add reminders. It's really simple. So here you see what you are doing today. When you are done doing them, you can just tap complete. So if you go to each day, what you have schedule, you see them. So this is how you stay organized using the reminder app. The task is done, you can just check it. You can also go back to check the completed tasks. So get the reminder app now. You can check the completed tasks. Thank you for watching. See you.